Hello friends, welcome to channel 11. Today I'm going to explain how to use merge statement in SQL Server. So in screen you can see that so when we are going to use merge statement. So if we have two tables, one is source and target tables, and you need to update the target table based on values matched from the source tables. In this scenario we'll use merge statement. There are three cases in merge. So suppose the source table has some rows that does not exist in the target table. In this case, you need to, in this case, those rows needs to insert into the target table from source table. That is one. And another case is target table has some rows that does not exist in source table. In this case, you need to delete the rows from the target table. Third scenario is suppose source table has some rows with the same keys as the rows in the target table. However, these rows has different values in the non-key columns. In this case also, in this case you need to update the rows in the target table with values coming from the source table. So this is the definition, and this is when we will use the merge statement. So this is very clear definition and easy to understand. And next I will go to with some example with syntax. So this is the syntax in for merge statement. So merge target table using source table. So name of the table we need to specify, and merge condition. So the condition between the target table and source table. Suppose when the condition matched, then update the write the update statement. When not matched, then write the insert statement. When not matched by source, then delete statement. This is the syntax for merge. So this is syntax. Now I will show you how we need to implement merge statement in SQL Server with example. So I hope you understand the syntax clearly. So let me go and show you the example. Example here. So I am creating two tables, category and category staging. Category is the target table and category underscore staging is the source table. So I am going to use merge statement between these two tables and update the data in target table. So if you observe category having category ID, category name and amount, and category staging also having category ID, category name and amount. So category ID is the primary keys between these two tables. So I'm inserting some dummy data into the category 1 2 3 4 as well as category staging 1 3 4 5 6. So and if we observe here category having id 2, category having category 2, and category staging doesn't have those row. So as per the definition, the category that row will get should be deleted. And same time we have 5 6 in category staging. As per the definition, those two rows will get inserted into the category, and 1 3 4 will get updated as per the definition. I hope you understand this clearly, and so I am just repeating that in mouse so that you will understand what goes will get updated, what rows will get deleted. So second will get deleted, 5 6 will get added, 1 3 4 will get updated after the merge statement. So let me go and create it, execute it. So now the tables are get created with the sample data. Let's see that. So let me clear and and I'll write the merge statement here. So this is the rows it has been created, category and category staging. Let me write the merge statement. So this is my merge statement. So as per the syntax, I have merge and table name using source table name, on condition, on the condition when matched, and I'm updating when matched. So when matched, I'm I'm updating the table target table from the source. So t dot category name equals source dot category name. When not matched, I'm inserting from source table to target table. When not matched, then delete the target table. So as I mentioned before, 2 will get deleted from the target table and 5 6 will get inserted into the target table. So when the matched rows like 4 will get 4 amount from the category to update with 10,000 to 20,000. So let me go and execute it. So I have executed, my match is done. Let me go and verify that. So if you observe here, so my second has been deleted, second row category second has been deleted, 5 6 has been inserted, and 4 has been updated with 20,000, from 10,000 to 20,000. Now my source and target both are same. So this is how normally we by using match statement will update target table from staging tables. So this is very widely used in mostly transactional related information. Instead of updating directly in target table, we'll use first store it to staging. So after we finalize, then we'll update back to the target table. I hope this is very clear, and I will show you one simple example. Suppose if we don't want do delete, then we can by using so I'm show you I don't want to delete the target table. So for that I just insert back to my category 2, then I just commented into the my delete section and I execute it. If you observe here, it doesn't delete it. So if you don't anytime you don't want to skip any conditions, then we just remove that. So it will work. Just for example, I am showing this.